Here I have HTC U23 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English. Then tap let's go. Then you have to accept terms of use, tap next. Okay, we agree. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network, you can just skip this step for now and do this later. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services, which I suggest you to disable, but in any case you have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up screen lock, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.